30 of the hardest words to spell in the English language. The English language is known as one of the hardest to learn. Because of its unpredictable spelling and grammar style, it can be challenging for learners and even native speakers. Here are some words that are hard to spell or commonly misspelled or don't make sense how they are spelled. Baloney. Baloney. Sherbet. Sherbet. Worcestershire. Worcestershire. Orangutan. Orangutan. Necessary. Necessary. Island. Island. Minuscule. Minuscule. Vacuum. Vacuum. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Dilate. Dilate. Rhythm. Rhythm. Broccoli. Broccoli. Lightning. Lightning. Grateful. Grateful. Accommodate. Accommodate. Zucchini. Zucchini. Fuchsia. Fuchsia. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Mischievous. Mischievous. Embarrass. Embarrass. Ingenious. Ingenious. Bourbon. Bourbon. Nauseous. Nauseous. Conscientious. Conscientious. Liaison. Liaison. Asthma. Asthma. Phlegm. Phlegm. Indict. Indict. Gnaw. Gnaw. Which word do you commonly misspell? Comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching Pink Pinguini, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!